You alright guys and girls? Well, today I'm going to crack on with the repairs on my Astra that I got cheap out of Copart. So, hoping to get everything done today, everything finished, and then all it's left to do is clean it after today. Let's crack on with it, eh? Thanks for watching. So here we go, I think we'll go on with the window first, and that way it's watertight and it's not getting any rain damage going in. So we'll do that first. Well, we can get a better view inside the passenger side now. It's the first time I've opened that door. So yeah, it's got to take a bit of cleaning in there, isn't it, to get it. Make sure that's properly clean. Anyway, let's get door card off. Okay, so next thing up to change is the wing mirror. I've got the door panels off, as you can see, and you know I took the other one off when I was changing the window. So I've not managed to source any door cards yet, but once I start looking I'm sure they won't be too hard to find. Let's get this mirror on then. It's just held on by three Torxy screws and that connector. Okay, let's get them off. Need to swap the caps round now. It's easy to take off. So, got a review mirror for it off of eBay. It was like 10 quid delivered or something. Well, looking at it straight away, this bit here is bigger, is deeper than this one. This one must be off a slightly different model or something. So, I wonder if this, oh, there we go, just pulls off. So that's, you can see the difference, there's a good inch or so of a difference. This will hopefully just push on now, so. There's a bit tighter going on than that other bit was coming off, but it's on. We've now got a working rear view mirror. Fantastic. So, next up is the broken wiper arm to replace. I got a direct replacement wiper. Exact fit rear wiper and arm straight off eBay for a tenner delivered. This car, honestly, the parts for it have been so cheap, it's unbelievable. Everything's either 10, 20 or 30 quid. It's never any dearer than that, no matter what you want. It's great. It's a 13mm nut. Right, okay, so we've got a bit of an issue here, as we spoke about in the first video, where the steering column has been sort of dragged down, and I think it's just came out of its mounts, to be honest with you. But also in the same area, the indicator stocks and the wiper stock have been snapped off, so we'll need to get that sorted. So if we put the key in and we turn the steering wheel, take the key out to stop that music. There's a couple of wee caps here. If we take them off, I think we should be able to get the plastic cover off and see what we're doing. So this should come off now. There's one underneath as well, but that's came out when they've been ripping it about, so it wasn't needing out taken out. So basically, we got the cover and stuff off, and what we found was there was a couple of bolts loose, and there was like two wedge shaped like washers. And because the bolts were loose, I think somebody's been tampering with it, probably if they've been trying to force the steering lock or something. It's sort of sheared one side, so what we've done is we've swapped them end to end, and it's all good. We can bolt it back up now and it'll be nice and tight. A bit of luck. spot on. Nice and tight. Exactly how it should be. I'm happy with that. So, we've got the new wiper stocks and light stocks to go on, or second hand, new to me at least. So apparently these just pull out, I'm told. If you just grab them with a pair of vice grips, you just pull them. Put on them or something. Oh, there we go. So I'll lever them. That was easy. Fairly easy. Same on the other side. So, as you know, the gear knob, the lift up reverse part on it's broken, so we need to change that. So first up we need to get the silver surround off, because that comes as part of it, and then there's a couple of clips down there and 4 female Torxes, so we need to take them out. So let's crack on with that, and hopefully we'll be able to change gear properly by the time we go home tonight.
On a run from a given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on trying to end, still it feels like I'll pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head up on my back between the What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky. As long as the stars in your eyes.
Okay, so just a quick question, a quick query in case anybody knows the answer. The rev counter on this car reads a bit low, I've noticed. Well, look where it's sitting just now, but the car's not running. Now the rev counter does go up and down, it's just, it reads low. So like, so when the car's idling it's at round about the 0, or when you're driving it, cruising, it's sitting between 1 and 2 rather than between 2 and 3 sort of a thing. Does anybody know a cure to that? Is it a case of getting a new set of clocks, which I'm not too bothered about, or can you adjust them or anything like that? So guys and girls, we've got some door cards here, and I've got to give a big shout out to one of my viewers, Colin. he actually got in touch with me and not only said that I could have them for free, but said he would meet me halfway to pick them up. So you don't get much better than that, do you? Well, it turns out you do, because when he showed up, he brought a glove box as well, because he noticed I needed a glove box. Absolutely brilliant. So I gave him a few pounds to buy himself a round of drinks or whatever, but absolutely great. Thanks very much. And to all the rest of the viewers, thanks very much for watching. I'll get these cleaned up in the next video and get them on, but as of that, that's all the repairs done. And the car drives great. I'm absolutely over the moon with it. Right, you know how I like to ask you all a question. Now, this video's question's a wee bit different, to be honest with you, because it's not car related. Me and my fiance were at the end of our current box set. We've been watching Power, and to be honest with you, I've really enjoyed it. What box set would you recommend? What's been your favourite box set? And we'll check it out. Thanks for watching, guys and girls. See you later. Bye.